This home has many upgrades and has been updated recently. Hello, welcome friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. My name is Tim, for those that don't know. Today is an open house video located here in the village of Piedmont, in the northern part of the Villages. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood-framed home. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. Today's an open house video located here in the village of Piedmont, in the northern part of the Villages. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom designer home. It has a 2-car garage and a golf cart garage. I first will start by taking a panoramic view of the street. It is located on a quiet cul-de-sac, as you can see. The front of the home does face north. As I walk up to this home, I do see it has a painted driveway, cement driveway. It has a 2-car garage with a golf cart garage. It is list priced at $409,000. It has a roof that was replaced in the year 2020 and an HVAC system that was replaced in the year 2019. It has beautiful mature landscaping here as well. As always, friends, if you have any questions about this home, please contact Bob Kersch at SELLSTATE. That is his contact information. As I walk up to the front of the home, the walkway is painted cement as well. Very mature landscaping. Let's walk inside, friends, and take a look. Here I am in the foyer area. The first thing I notice is this beautiful luxury vinyl plank floor. It has very high ceilings with acoustic texture. That living room area does have a solar tube. Off to the right, you will find the kitchen with beautiful granite countertops. Those cabinets are beautiful, gray cabinets with brushed stainless hardware. This kitchen does have a very large single bowl sink. It also has a natural gas stove. Very nice neutral tile backsplash as well in this kitchen. Stainless appliances. This kitchen also has a solar tube. Large surface area. Has a dinette. This home is very nice. Let's walk out into the garage and take a look. This is your 2-car garage with a golf cart garage. It does have painted cement floors. That is your 2-car garage. It has windows in the garage door. And this is your golf cart garage as well. This model home is an extended willow designer home. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing. That is your HVAC system that was replaced in the year 2019. That is your hot water heater in the corner there. It does have a sink. This home has many upgrades and has been updated recently. Here is your pantry area. Right there is your pantry closet. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Here is your specification sheet. This home is located at 17559 Southeast 81st Parnassus Street, here in the Villages. List price $409,000. Please feel free to pause the video at any point. Here are your room dimensions, friends. Kitchen is 19 by 10. All right, let's take a walk through the rest of this home. This home is in excellent condition. It does have a patio in the back of the home. Let's take a walk out to the patio. It is a screened-in lanai, painted cement floors, very large screens in this lanai. Very mature landscaping. It does have a patio off the side of the lanai as well. It does have a natural gas barbecue grill. And that barbecue grill is connected to the natural gas of the home. You can see it right there. This is the backyard. Your backyard is facing south. That is your home. That roof has been replaced in the year 2020. This is your side yard. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Next, I will walk inside the home and take a look at the bedroom areas. This is a wood-framed home. Off to the left, you will see the inside laundry area. You do see the luxury vinyl plank floors continuing throughout this home. Many updates to this home. Off to the left, you do see the primary bedroom. That is a queen-size bed to give you perspective. Does have plantation shutters as well. Luxury vinyl plank floor continues in the primary bedroom. Granite countertops, 2 sinks, chrome fixtures, very large mirror. Lots of updates in this home. Has a separate commode space. That is your shower with a swinging glass door. Let's take a look at what the shower looks like. That is a tiled shower. Tile surround in that shower. That shower does have a seat as well. Those cabinets are beautiful. Very nice. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Let's take a walk into the walk-in closet. It does have a sliding pocket door. Very large walk-in closet. Wire rack shelves as well. Next, I will walk into the guest quarters. This is a pantry area. Right there is your pantry. This home is a split bedroom design. Your guest quarters is on the opposite side of the home as the primary bedroom. Very wide base molding as well. This is the guest quarters. This is to the left of the foyer area. You see the luxury vinyl floor does continue. Knockdown texture on the ceilings. Raised 6-panel doors, sliding doors on the closet. I will show you what this closet looks like. That is your closet there, friends. Next, we will walk into the guest Bathroom, white cabinets, brushed stainless hardware, granite counter, knockdown texture ceilings. It does have a tub with sliding glass doors. That is a tile surround as well. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing, I do appreciate it. Here's another guest bedroom. Plantation shutters, luxury vinyl plank floor, wide base molding. This also has a 6-panel raised door closet. Very nice, neutrally decorated. This home has been recently remodeled. And the furniture you see does stay with the home. For instance, that bed in the primary bedroom is new, never been slept in. Next, I will walk out into the street. I'll give you a panoramic view of the kitchen. Very nice home. Let's walk back out into the street. I will give you one last panoramic view of the street. This is looking left and right. This is a quiet cul-de-sac. As always, if you have questions about this home, feel free to contact the listing agent Bob Kersch at SELLSTATE. That is his contact information. We are located in the village of Piedmont, here in the Villages, Florida. This home is list priced at $409,000. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Have a great day. Have a great week, everybody. Take care. Thank you for taking this home tour with me here in the village of Piedmont, in the northern part of the Villages. I do appreciate it. Have a great week, everyone. Take care.